Well guys, it's Christmas time, and one of my favorite movies to watch or show to watch during Christmas is Mr. Bean's Christmas. When he gets that turkey stuck on his head, it's hilarious. Anyway, so I've got my punch going, you can hear it. Ding. And I'm gonna get started working on this Mr. Bean for my Christmas tree. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing is getting just a wire so I have a bit of some structure underneath. And then I'm going to put some tin foil to make my ornament a little bit lighter and use less clay. That should do it. I used Super Sculpty beige. I put some brown in it, I put some red in it, and I put some yellow in it. I'm going to cover that up. Gotta be honest, I have never cooked my own turkey. I haven't attempted it yet. I have a pretty small oven, so that's my excuse so far, thus far. But it's probably not as hard as I'm imagining it. Slightly redder clay to make some more detail. Oh man, Mr. Bean's got juicy bun. Flatten that out. looks more like a bean pole, so I don't think he's got that big of a booty. But it's funny. The jacket's gonna cover up all that mess here. First we're going to put a line that denotes the thumb versus the rest of the fingers, and then we're going to kind of pull a little bit on that thumb to shape it. Put some lines in the hands. And we're going to cut some fingers. I divide it in two first, and then do it into 4 sections. And I just slightly roll around each finger so that I round out the edges, round out the tips of the fingers. I don't do much. I don't like to fuss around too much with hands because they're so small. I like to push the sleeve into the hands a little bit just to secure them a little more. And we're done on the hand. Lastly, we have to put on some details, crinkles in the pants, fly, where his belt goes. I can't remember. And I'm going to put 2 buttons. I'm going to use some chalk to change some of the coloring to make it more variated. I kind of want the bone to be a little bit lighter than I had, with a lot of water in it, so it's not stark white. And I'll rub off some of the white as well. Lastly, I'm going to use some gloss, shine up the shoes, and make the turkey look nice and slimy. And that's it. Mr. Bean, he's all ready to go on the tree.
Are you all right in there?
Yeah, it's fine, thank you. Oh, sorry, just drying my hair.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, Merry Christmas to you.
You got the turkey on?
Yeah.